Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel's latest video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you my SIBM Pune's GPI experience. I had my SIBM GPI on 12th of February 2025 and my slot was 12:30 p.m. Previously I had shared my SCMHRD MBA core as well as SCMHRD IDM experience on this channel. So if you haven't watched that, uh, the link is in the description as well as in the I button. So the experience for SIBM was little different as compared to SCMHRD. I thought like both were a part of Symbiosis University, so the experience would be same, but it was little different. In SCMHRD, the Zoom link was sent on mail, but in SIBM, there was a portal link in your admit card in which you have to click it and then log in to the portal for SIBM GPI. After which you would get the Zoom link, and the Zoom link will active a few minutes before the time slot you are allotted. Otherwise, the button will not work. So please don't be tensed and wait for your slot. So my Zoom link button activated around 12:10 and my timing was 12:30. So I joined the link. So once I joined the Zoom link, I was transferred to a breakout room for identity verification in which you have to show your Aadhaar card, SIM call letter, and Snap original admit card, which has a verified stamp on it. If you don't have the Snap original admit card, they have sent an affidavit on the mail before the interview process. So you have to have notarized it from a notary on a 500 rupee stamp paper. And then you have to send this on their mail or a WhatsApp number they will share. So please make sure that you have the affidavit or original Snap admit card. So once the identity verification process was done, we were then sent to the original Zoom. We were sent to the original Zoom meeting, and they were showing some videos about SIBM. It was the promotion stuff. Then SIBM's director video was shown, and his message was shown about the whole GPA process, and he was talking about SIBM and SIBM culture. And surprisingly, then he joined the meeting for a Q&A session. Like I was not expecting that the director would join for an Q&A session with the candidates applying for the GPI process. And we had an amazing chat with the sir. Uh, he was very nice and chill kind of guy. Also, he has a very jolly nature. So yeah, we had an amazing chat with him. Once the Q&A session with the director sir was over, we were divided into slots for our GE. In my slot, there were 9 candidates, and the process flow was that like we were each given 30 seconds to speak about the topic, and then 10 minutes to have some discussion, and then again we have 30 seconds each to conclude the topic. And my topic was regarding rising corruption and bribery in India. So we were given two parameters. One was administrative and one was technological issues. And in these two parameters, there were some critical issues like in administrative issues, we have lack of transparency and poor enforcement of laws. And in technological issue, there were insufficient digitization in administration and fewer tools to track transactions. So we have to discuss on each of these critical issues and give some solution and conclude the topic. So my G process went average because we were 9 students and we were only given 10 minutes to discuss about this problem. And like I could manage only to have one entry in the G because everyone was speaking in between, cutting each other. And aco- I guess only 2 to 3 students were able to have 2 or 3 entries. So if someone from SIBM is listening to my video or watching my video, please make sure that you have 6 to 7 candidate at max in your G process, just like SMHRD, because in SMHRD we were 6 students, so everyone was getting the opportunity to speak about their points. Because in the problem in online G is that you are not able to see each and everyone, and when like they are talking, so coincidentally sometime it happens that both of you start speaking at the same time. So this was about my G process. Once my G process was over, we were then shifted to another breakout room in which we were the same 9 students waiting for our PI turn one by one, and also we were having our document verification. So once my PI turn came, I was shifted to PI breakout room, and in Symbiosis they have person interaction instead of person interview, and it felt like an interaction because there were no typical interview questions like tell me about yourself and why MBA. So the first question they asked me was meaning of my name, because I believe they were from South India, both of the panelists, so they have heard my name for the first time, but it's a very common name. So I told the meaning of my name, and they asked me about my graduation year, and I said that it's 2024. So they told me that are you a fresher? I said yes. So they asked me like what were you doing from the past 6 months? So I answered honestly that sir, I was working in an NGO. Side by side, I was preparing for management entrance exams. So yeah, that was all I was doing in my past 6 years, 6 months, sorry. Then they asked me about the project in my final year and if I have any PORs in college, and I said yes. Then they asked me the biggest challenge you faced during the society work you were doing in your college. Then they asked me about DeepSeek AI and how it is different from ChatGPT and why it's a buzz around the globe about DeepSeek AI. So I told them, and then the other panelists started asking me questions about marketing basically. So first question was difference between marketing and sales. Then he asked me to name some brands whose marketing you like. So I answered that, and then he asked me any underrated brand you would pick for marketing and why. So first of all, I told about a brand, but he said that it's not underrated. So then I answered about a brand called Bombay Shaving Company, and I then explained that why it's underrated. That the presence of Bombay Shaving Company is only in tier 1 and tier 2 cities, and specifically it is present on Amazon and other D2 other marketplaces, and it's present in offline channels is very limited. So I would choose Bombay Shaving Company for marketing, and also told about the product that they have clean products and other qualities of their product. So that was all about my personal interaction. After the personal interaction was over, I was shared a feedback form. I filled that, and the process for SIBM was over. So at the end, I believe my SIBM GPI overall experience was great. My PI went well, and the PI has most of the weightage, and my G was average. But I believe I would gain some advantage because I was not the one who was cutting each other and speaking in between. So yeah, it went well according to me. And if you have your SIBM interview in upcoming days, please don't be stressed because it's such an interview. And if you know someone who has their SIBM GEPI in upcoming days, please share my video and also comment your SIBM GEPI experience in the comment section. It would help everyone. And I am Rohtak, NMIMS, I am Amritsar, I am CAP, MDI interview lined up in upcoming days. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to know about these experience too. And thank you for watching my video.